Flashcards, more than something to just write out your recipes and keep on hand. I like to have a variety of cards, so I have 3 different sizes, and I love that they come in different colors. I like to keep 3 different sizes on hand, and I also love that they come in different colors. They come with lines, or they're and blank on the back so that you can use them for a variety of different things. If you've seen some of my other videos, I've pointed out that I keep flashcards around my house. So this is an example of the 4 agreements, and it's a quick reference and a great reminder as I'm going through my day and different things that may come up. And so as I look, I remember, be impeccable with your words, don't take anything personally, don't make assumptions, and always do your best. So I have these throughout my house. I've also shared, and this is a larger card that I'll be redoing, but on this particular card, I incorporated a number of different things that I like to remember and are good clues throughout the day. So at the top, energy flows where attention goes, which ties in with my earlier video about E squared, and what we think about is what we end up seeing and what the universe ends up bringing to us. 4 steps to inner peace, and I believe that is from Dan Millman. I need to double check that. The 4 steps are right attitude toward problems, live in harmony with universal law, find your part in the overall scheme of things, and simplify. Again, good things to remember, especially if we're in the middle of something that may be difficult or challenging. The 5 Reiki principles. So just for today, don't get angry, don't worry, be grateful, work hard, and be kind to others. And with the Reiki principles, I really like that it starts with just for today. In other words, for the next 24 hours, these are the 5 things that you focus on, which makes it manageable and makes it doable. And for anyone who may be familiar with 12-step programs like AA or NA, they're also about one day at a time. So if you're going through something that's a bit difficult or challenging right now, then as the 4 steps say, simplify, just for today, and make the goals attainable and achievable. So if that means, especially if you're someone like me who sometimes will have anxiety attacks, then you have to stop, breathe, and just get yourself calmed down and make those goals achievable. So maybe you focus for now on getting through the next hour. And as things calm down and improve, then you focus on getting through the next 2 hours. And as things continue to improve, you focus on getting through the next 24 hours. In other words, be mindful of where you're at personally, where your energy is flowing and how things are going, and focus on what you can do rather than get more stressed out and upset about what you can't do. The other part that I have on this particular card, and I'm probably not going to pronounce this correctly, Hoa, Ho'opon, Ho'opona, Ho'opona, Pona. No, not even going to try. The other part that I have on this card, and I'll put the word down below because I'm pretty sure I won't say it correctly, but other people may be familiar with it. Four things that you do in four things that you do in that case. One, if and this is if something's coming up and to get yourself in the right frame of mind and calm down. So step number one, I'm sorry. And that's to yourself. Two, please forgive me. So you're letting yourself know that you're being understanding with yourself. This isn't about anybody else. This is about you. Three, gratitude. Thank you. Could be thank you for the lesson, thank you for the opportunity, and mean it sincerely. And number four, and something that a lot of people have difficulty doing, I love you. And again, that's in relation to yourself. Accept yourself. Be happy with who you are. We all have different things that we need to work on and fine tune and change, and that's okay. That's the entire purpose of being alive and learning and growing and connecting with other people. But it starts by loving yourself first and foremost. And once you can accept who you are and where you're at, then that love can start to go and spread to other people. This card again, I'd had around all over my house. I had it on my fridge, in my bathroom, in my writing room. And like so many other things, it's the beginning of the year. So I'm fine tuning a bit of that and changing some of the cards that I have around the house.